Friends,
Hi
welcome
friends.
back to our channel. Today we are making filter coffee in less than 10 minutes.
That's right. Thank you, Samik. So, growing up in Chennai, I really liked the smell of filter coffee a lot. Even though I didn't drink filter coffee, but the aroma and the process it was made really fascinated me. So, when we came here, we moved to Dallas. There were a lot of restaurants which provide filter coffee. But now, because due to COVID, we stopped going to restaurants, and we thought let's try to make filter coffee at home. Even though I'm not a big coffee drinker, but everyone in my house is. So we thought let's make authentic South Indian filter coffee at home. This is my version of doing it. It's not the most ideal one, but this is how we do it. This is how I do it, and that's how we like it. So, first of all, what do you need, Samik? The ingredients?
Filter coffee.
Exactly, you need filter coffee.
Powder.
Powder, yeah. You don't need the instant one. You need the just the filter coffee, which is slightly more granular than the instant one. So this is I think I got it from a nearby store.
Yeah.
And the way to make filter coffee is, or our style of making filter coffee is, so ideally, filter coffee is made in a container. It's like a large vessel which has a strainer in it. But since I don't have that vessel, I'm making it using this strainer which every Indian household has. It's usually used for making tea, but you can use it for filter coffee too. So as I said, this is 8 ounce. So out of 8 ounce, I'll divide it one third.
1/3 coffee, 1/3 milk, and 1/3 water.
Exactly, good job. So one third will be the concoction of coffee and chicory. This already has 80% coffee and 20% chicory. I think chicory is something that brings that aroma and the flavor, which is different from different from Starbucks or any other coffee which we drink. So first you need, as I said, filter coffee. You need one teaspoon, or depends on how strong you need. Where is my? For now, I take if I want to make one cup of coffee, I take one teaspoon, and I put it in water for. You can do overnight also. You can do overnight. I just do it for 15 minutes. Depends on how strong you need it.
Yeah, this one.
One. I like it slightly stronger, so I'll just put maybe 2 or 3.
Two.
Two? You want 2? You sure two will do it? Let's put one more. Otherwise, it will not be that strong.
You like it lots.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yep.
Bunch.
So now I'm going to put little bit of water. Let's say one fourth of this glass of water. I think I forgot to bring the spoon, but all you have to just let it sit. I've made the concoction and I'll let it sit for at least 15 to 20 minutes. If you like it really strong, you can keep it overnight. So the next day in the morning you're going to drink coffee. You can just let it sit overnight, and then I will strain it. So we will let it sit for 15 minutes, and then we will resume back. So this coffee we have let it sit for some time. You can smell the chicory here. Chicory is really strong. So this is the part where the filter happens. So I'm just using a normal filter and just strain the concoction. This is the process which the metallic vessel or the filter does, and this I'm doing it without buying anything, just at home. So this you can see is really strong black concoction. If you want, you can drink it like this, but it will be too strong. So the ideal way is you have the concoction. Now you add some hot milk, and then you add some water. There you go. So you can see the beautiful brown, forgot to bring the spoon, beautiful brown coffee. Now, sugar free, sorry. If you want, you can add some.
Let's add sugar.
Yeah, let's add some sugar free. If you want, you can strain it twice or thrice, but this is the coffee. We have it ready. Oops. And usually the way South Indians do, they just make, so there's a lot of froth in it. They move from here to, they really do a very good job in moving it from a high distance, but This is the best I can do. So a lot of froth and a beautiful aroma. The sugar is just right. The milk is so.
Let's see the filter
They usually put it in a tumbler, and there you have your hot filter coffee ready. You can enjoy it in the morning or the evening after a long day of work. This really relaxes me. So, all right, please do enjoy your cup of coffee. And enjoy it with family and friends. And winters are already here, so I think the coffee intake increases more in winter. So please do enjoy coffee, and till the time we see you next.
Bye.
Bye bye.